Today, we're diving into an interesting dataset to explore age distribution across different companies. We'll learn how to use Excel functions to analyze data and create a visual representation. Let's get started. Here we have a dataset listing customer names, their associated companies, and ages. Our goal is to analyze the age distribution for each company. First, let's calculate some key metrics for each company: the oldest age, youngest age, and the median age. First, let us filter the unique name of the companies. For this I will use Excel unique function. Next, I will sort the company name as ascending order by using Excel sort function. For old age, we use the MAXIFS function to find the maximum age for each company. Similarly, the MINIFS function helps us find the minimum age for younger age. For median, we cannot apply direct formula. First, we should filter the age for particular company. For this we can use Excel filter function, where the formula should return the age value for particular selected company. Then we can apply the median function on it. Let's creating a new helper column to calculate the difference between the minimum and maximum values. This will be a useful reference when we build our chart. Now, let's visualize this data with a bar chart. The chart displays the age distribution for each company, highlighting the median age with a line. First, select the ranges in your calculated table, excluding the old age column. Head over to the Insert menu and choose the Recommended Charts option. From there, select the stacked chart format. We want the stacking order to be younger age, median, and changes. Next, click on the median series in the chart. Then, navigate to the Chart Design menu and switch this series to a scatter chart. Make sure to uncheck the secondary axis option and click OK. Now, let's customize the colors. Start by removing the fill color for the younger age series. For the changes series, change the fill color to black. Select the median series and format the markers to ensure they're visible. Finally, add the chart legends on the left side of the chart for clarity. This will help viewers understand the data better. I will add a text box and define the series ranges manually and format it for better illustration. And there you have it. A clear and informative chart that represents the age distribution across companies. We've successfully analyzed and visualized age distribution across companies using Excel. This approach can be applied to various datasets for insightful analysis. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next episode.